we about to go get coffee and donuts. Mornings. Today is Saturday, January 21st, and I'm doing a little weekend vlog. Nothing crazy is going on. This is gonna be a chill at home low-key type of vlog. Today I am just getting groceries. Well, I placed a grocery order, so I'm just gonna get that delivered, and then we're gonna do a little grocery haul, show you guys what I picked up. They didn't have some of the things that I really wanted, but it is what it is. So yeah. And then I got some new toy storage in for Aaliyah because she has a lot of toys. So I'll show you guys that. And then I'm getting a few things to like spruce up her playpen because she doesn't really love being in the playpen, honestly. Like, she'll sit in there for a little while, but then once she realizes like, oh, I'm by myself, it's just like, no, I don't want to be in here. So yeah, I got a few things to spruce it up. I did little pull-up rings to go on the side of it so she can stand, because that's the era we're in now. Yes, she's trying to stand and pull herself up and stuff, so I got those so that way, you know, she can be active in it still. You know, if I had the space for one of those like playpens that basically take up the whole room, I would get one of those, because it's flat, so it's on the floor, and it basically just, it almost is like a baby gate, but it's a playpen, so they would feel like they're still in like the regular space. It wouldn't be like a, oh, I'm just in this like smaller space. I can still move around, do all the things. So yeah, those are very convenient, and I will be getting one when we move, so you heard it here first. I'm gonna get into digital planning. I really do love me a good like paper planner situation, but I haven't gotten one, and it's the end of the month, so I'm like, you know what, it's fine. All the good ones are probably taken by now anyway, so let's just get a digital planner and we'll go about it that way. So that's the plan for that. What else? I already have a video uploaded, like it just needs to go live, and I was gonna make it live on Thursday, but then I didn't. I was gonna make it live yesterday and I didn't, so I'm definitely gonna make it live today. At Dunkin', we're getting some donuts and coffee and things, and Kevin said he wants a sandwich, so we're gonna see what we're gonna get for him.
Hi, one moment.
Sure. I get a half a dozen donuts to start, please. A medium iced brown butter toffee latte, please. And can I get that with almond milk? Sausage, egg, and cheese croissant. And can you add bacon to it, please? One glazed, one maple vanilla cream, a strawberry frosted, a vanilla frosted, a glazed blueberry, and a jelly. Quick little grocery haul. We got some bacon, ground beef, some chicken thighs. We got some classic Alfredo. This for like quick and easy, but you know, you still have to spruce up the ones that come in the bottle. But yeah, I got some chewy like granola bar situations. I got some of these like egg bites, omelet bites, which I used to make these actually, but these days time is not my friend. So I got some turkey sausage and spinach ones, and then the other one was pepper, uncured ham, and cheddar. I got garlic nuts because I love these. Jalapenos because Kevin wants me to make some type of hot chicken situation. Taco style cheese, golden potatoes, some butter. We got salmon. Usually we get two things. She only got one in our order. We got some turkey bacon, almond milk, and then unsweetened almond milk. What is that? Cream cheese, pineapples, yogurt, stock, cold brew. Is this already going good? Is it? Lime juice, avocados, shredded lettuce, tomatoes that I opened. Probably. What's the date on there? Kevin's holding some spinach that's probably already going bad. And we got some fruits. Hey girl. Hey girl. She is playing with a few items from her lovevery 9 to 10 month box. If you guys are not familiar with lovevery, it is stage-based play. You can sign up for their subscription. You'll get a new box based on where your child is at, and it will have all the right toys in there for them to play with. So we got some of her first blocks here, and then we have this right here and this scarf that teaches them about light and dark, and you can use it to play games with them and stuff like that. But yeah, I think so far she is definitely loving the scarf, and she likes the blocks because she can knock them down once I stack them up, because she got stacking cups in her last Lovevery box and she really loved them. So she likes that she can also knock the blocks down when I stack them up. See? Yay! Good job! Good job! Good job! So she has my M50. Y'all, she's obsessed with cameras, okay? And yeah, I would rather her not be screaming while I'm trying to talk. So she's just having a grand old time with that down there. Thankfully, this thing she's playing on is padded. I bought this recently from Aldi. So yesterday when I was talking about the playmat and stuff, like, everything just went downhill. We're not even gonna get into it. Like I was saying, I had gotten it from Aldi and it was like very affordable, especially for the size compared to other places, because I was actually thinking of getting one from Amazon. I also was looking at some at Walmart and Target, and this one was only like $15 and it's pretty big in my opinion, and they had a lot of them. And I feel like if I were to buy another pack, because they just do 4 big ones instead of like the small ones, so if I buy another big pack, it'll take up like a decent size in here, and I low-key but high-key want to get one. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I was saying that the reason why I would want to get another one so it can take up a lot of space is that I would kind of use it in place of like a rug, because I really don't want a rug, but you know, she's in her learning to crawl, well, crawling slash learning to walk era, and we have hardwood floors, so you know, it would just provide like a cushion if she should slip or anything like that. But yeah, we also got baby gates from Aldi, and they were pretty affordable as well. Pretty affordable for the size, because the price was like normal price like other places, but for smaller ones. So for this width, it was pretty good. This is what this looks like, and I got this off Amazon, so you know it just folds down and then you fit it up when it gets here. This is the play mat if you guys needed a bigger visual. So this is, you know, these types of playmat situations. But yeah, I got this off Amazon. It's not exactly what I was going for, but I couldn't find anything I really loved, so I was like, well, I need something regardless, so I just got this for the time being. So that way I can put a lot of her stuff inside, because she has a lot of stuff, and I usually just have them like laying around either on the floor or the couch or whatever. So yeah, finally got like somewhere to put all this stuff. So that's that. For a quick little 9-month update, we went to her doctor's appointment the other day. So she doesn't have another doctor's appointment until 12 months, like after her birthday. We had her appointment. She is 19 pounds. I don't know what percentile that is in for her age range, because I don't have the paper with me. So yeah, we also got like a new nurse or assistant, whatever she was, and I think it was like her first day or first week, because she didn't ask us any of the questions that they usually ask us. She's eating a lot more solids now. Still not like a full meal, but we try to give her solids for like 1 to 2 meals a day, and she'll eat like a decent-ish amount of it. Still obviously primarily breastfed. She was on a bottle strike for like a month and a half. I think she's slowly working her way out of that, but we'll see. Honestly, I don't know. She is crawling. She definitely is pulling herself up to stand. We actually need to lower her crib. I'm gonna try to get that done today, but it might be a Tuesday thing when Kevin's off work. And then she is like super duper attached to me now. I mean, she's always been attached to me. Then of course I always talk about her sleep. We are still, you know, some babies just sleep really well and some just don't, and every baby's different. Despite whatever you do, they do what they want to do. So yeah, that's how that goes. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I have for the update so far, for her 9-month updates. So yeah, I need to also take her pictures. I will try to fit that in today, but I don't know. But I need to take her 9-month pictures. So, which is funny, because by the time you guys are seeing this, she's actually gonna be 10 months. I don't know if I've ever explained that the weeks don't actually line up. So like whenever the 27th rolls around, which is technically when she would be considered another month old, she's usually that plus 2 weeks. This time around, it's like way off. She is in the drawer. This is the part that nobody prepares you for. Once they, okay, ignore her crazy bedhead, but once they're a little mobile, they get into everything, okay? Also, I vacuumed, and I vacuum every day because she tries to pick up every little crumb that's on the carpets. On the carpet, on the floor, so we vacuum, sweep, mop, all the things every single day because babies gonna be babies, okay? So yeah, I'm about to get her out of this drawer because I actually have important things in there, like the book she's about to rip. And then I'm about to go pick out her outfits and stuff. Well, one outfit for her pictures, and we're gonna do bath time, comb her hair, get her all cute, and yeah. Aaliyah, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say, I'm rummaging through mommy's drawers. Alright, y'all, so this is what I have picked out. I don't know if you guys can tell what it is, but it's like a jumpsuit romper. Well, it's a jumpsuit. I feel like rompers would be shorts or whatever. So this is what it looks like. If you guys remember the haul I did, I showed this in that haul, and this is 6 to 12 months from Old Navy. And then I have these two bows. I kind of like the color of this one a little bit more, like the shade of pink, but depending on how her hair looks after I style, it will determine which one I go with. Alright guys, so I'm back on here to actually close out the vlog, and yeah, like I said, it was a weekend vlog. Right now I'm actually getting ready to sign on to work, so yeah. This is why I don't really vlog during the week anymore, because I have work and that takes up pretty much most of my time, and when I'm not working, I like to spend my time with my baby. So yeah, I don't really vlog during the week anymore. But I think that's, well, not think, that's probably gonna be just temporary, because right now I'm on my training schedule, so when I start my actual schedule, it will free up a lot more of my time, like in the mornings during the week. So yeah, but that is it for my little weekend vlog. I know it was very like low-key, not much happened, all that, but that's the point, okay? Especially because like I'm just now like diving into this full-blown work schedule, new job situation. I'm trying to take it easy on myself, especially when it comes to my weekends. I'm not trying to do too much. I spend a lot of my time with the baby. We play, we interact, we just spend quality time together, one-on-one. And you know, I was thinking about it last night, and I'm like, that is probably one of the reasons why I'm not like the vlogger, because I just, one, either I will forget that I'm vlogging, so I don't show a lot of things, or if I don't forget that I'm vlogging, I will whenever I'm having like quality time, like special moments with my family, I don't really cut the camera on like that. So yeah, I don't know, I'm not saying anything is wrong if you do it, but for me it just feels weird and just like staged almost. Like I don't want to have to set the camera up when we're eating dinner or set the camera up if we're going, you know what I'm saying, like the way people vlog their everyday life. Like don't get me wrong, I love that type of content, but just for me personally it just feels a little bit too much. And like, you know, yeah. But that's another story for another day. The point is, that is the end of the vlog. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video.